Call. Guess what I found? Huh? Just another quiet weekend, right? Unbelievable! That was you? I thought it was a concert! A party monster? You have to hear the full message. Watch this.
Welcome back to English Snap Lab. Hello, everyone. We are so happy to have you here for another lesson where we make learning English easy, practical, and fun. I'm Hazel.
And I'm Jack. Today's topic is one of my favorites because it's the universal conversation starter. Every Monday morning, whether you're at the office, in a classroom, or just meeting a friend for coffee, the first thing you'll hear is, "How was your weekend?"
That's right. It's the perfect way to build connections. But many learners get stuck only saying, "It was fine." Today, we're going to give you the vocabulary to really describe your time off. So, Jack, let's start with the most common, polite answer. "It was good, thanks. How about yours?"
That's the classic. It's safe and friendly. But if you want to be more descriptive, you can say it was relaxing, productive, or even low-key.
Low-key, that's a fantastic word for your vocabulary. It means you didn't do anything big, loud, or exciting. You just stayed home, relaxed, and kept things simple. Maybe you caught up on some sleep or finally started that book you've been meaning to read.
Exactly. It's the opposite of a jam-packed weekend. If your weekend was jam-packed, it means every hour was filled with plans. You were moving from one thing to the next without a break.
I actually had a bit of a jam-packed weekend myself. I had to attend a family gathering, do the grocery shopping for the week, and I even managed to squeeze in a workout. In English, when you squeeze something in, it means you find a small amount of time for a task in an already busy schedule.
I'm the complete opposite. My weekend was very chill. I mostly just hung out at home. To hang out is one of the most common phrasal verbs you'll hear. It just means to spend time relaxing without a specific formal plan.
We also use the phrase to get away if you traveled. Even if it was just a short drive to a nearby city, a lake, or a hiking trail, you can call it a weekend getaway. It implies you escaped your normal routine for a bit.
That sounds lovely. Now let's talk about the to-do list. Many people use the weekend to run errands. These are those small, necessary tasks like going to the bank, the post office, or the chemist.
Or you might tackle some housework, like deep cleaning the kitchen or doing mountains of laundry. If you finally finished a big task that you were avoiding, you can say you got it out of the way.
That is such a satisfying feeling. Now, let's talk about that Sunday evening feeling. Many people start to feel a little bit stressed that the weekend is ending and work is starting. In English, we call this the Sunday scaries.
The Sunday scaries. It's that tiny bit of anxiety about Monday morning. But a great way to fight that feeling is to treat yourself.
To treat yourself means to do something special or a little bit indulgent for yourself. Maybe you order your favorite takeout, watch a new movie, or have a long, relaxing bath. It's all about self-care.
I agree. It's also common to talk about how the weekend flew by. If time went very fast, you say, "I can't believe it's Monday already. The weekend just flew by."
It always does. Before we finish, we have a challenge for our listeners.
Yes, tell us in the comments, what did you do this past weekend? Did you have a lazy weekend or a productive one? Try to use at least 2 of the new words we learned today.
We can't wait to read about your weekend adventures. Before you go, please subscribe to the English Snap Lab channel and give this video a big like.
Share this with a friend who is also practicing their English. Learning together is much more motivating.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you have a productive and positive week ahead.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and keep smiling. Until next time, goodbye, Hazel.
Bye for now, Jock. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.